Hi everyone, here we've got Doji N30 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here we've got reset options, so simply tap on it, and on the very first position we've got the option we are looking for, so just tap on it, and your device will telling you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings. Here your device will ask you again if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset Settings and wait. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Doji N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.